Samir was born in a small village where dreams were considered luxuries. His father was a sweeper at a school, and his mother cleaned houses to make ends meet. Samir would often go to school barefoot, with torn books and an empty lunchbox. Yet, his eyes were always full of hope. One day, his teacher asked, "What do you want to become?" Samir replied, "A CEO." The class laughed. The teacher smiled but said, "Then you must study like one." That night, under a dim kerosene lamp, Samir made a promise to himself. He would rise not just for himself, but for every child like him who was told to stop dreaming. Every morning, before going to school, he helped his father clean the school toilets. Then he attended classes, tired but focused. He studied under street lights, borrowed books, and topped every exam. He failed many times too, failed to afford a uniform, failed to buy exam forms, but he never failed to try again. Years passed. Samir got a scholarship to a city college. The culture shock, the language barrier, the poverty, they all hit hard. He would work nights at a call center, clean tables, and sometimes go hungry to save money for books. But he never complained. Each failure, each humiliation only added fire to his ambition. After graduation, he got a job at a tech startup. He was the least experienced, but the most determined. He worked harder than anyone else, learned coding at night, and started sharing innovative ideas. His bosses noticed. Within 5 years, he became one of the youngest managers. One day, during a conference, he stood on stage to speak to young entrepreneurs. He began, "I used to sweep this very hall once. Today, I speak as the CEO of the company that rents it." Silence. Then thunderous applause. Tears welled up in his eyes, not because he had made it, but because he remembered the boy with an empty lunchbox who dared to dream. Moral: it doesn't matter where you come from. What matters is where you are determined to go. Success is not about luck, it's about resilience, consistency, and heart.